Why birds and chickens drink water looking up. Om, narration style, calm, mysterious, wise tone. Long, long ago when the earth was still new, God gave each animal a special way to drink water. Because of their beauty and their lovely songs, chickens and birds wanted a special way to drink. One day, God called them and said, "Help me pour rain down from the sky, and you will understand where life begins." The birds flew high into the sky, watched the clouds, and helped guide the rain down to the earth. From that day on, they began to drink water while lifting their heads up, remembering where the water comes from. God said, "From now on, when you drink, look to the heavens and never forget the source of life." That's why birds and chickens always lift their heads when they drink water. Water is not just for life, it's a memory of the sky.